Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review of the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadow for you guys. I received the PR package of the eyeshadows, so I thought it would be nice to share them with you guys in case you're interested in them. The eyeshadow actually came in this cute little pink bag right here. It came in this cute little pink bag right here, and it comes with, I think, 5 melted eyeshadows. I'm just going to bring them out for you guys to see. There are actually 5 of them. Yeah, it looks like that. So one side is matte and the other side is metallic. So I'm going to swatch the metallic side for you and the matte side for you guys. So they were meant to complement each other really, which she really did an amazing job with, because they truly complement each other really well. So look at that guys. This is the shade Bubblegum, in the shade Bubblegum. I don't know if the camera is picking the pigment up, but shade right here dries down matte, and this shade right here dries down as metallic. So they both complement each other really well. So if you look at the tutorial of this video, you see how I use both shades. The matte shade I use as my transitional shade stroke, deep tone shade, and I layer on the metallic shade on the matte shade. So this is what it looks like. That's Bubblegum. How cute and how stunning is this shade, guys? This looks so cute, and they complement each other really. The most interesting thing about this eyeshadow is the fact that, the matte shade, for example in this situation, the plum shade, it dries down really matte, and I actually like the fact that it gives you the time to really blend it into your lid. It dries down really matte, and which is quite nice. It's very easy to work with, so I quite like that about the matte shade and the metallic shade. They dry down really well. The next shade is called Bubble Bath. I didn't quite notice their name really, but right now this is what Bubble Bath looks like. You've got your neutral shade right here, which dries down matte, and you got the metallic shade right here, which dries down with and gives you that metallic shimmery shade. As you can already tell how it becomes shifty when you look at it the other way around. So I don't know how this is done, but it really works out really well for me, and I quite like it. Look at that guys. You can tell the difference between the matte one and the metallic one without even me mentioning it, because the metallic one is not the metallic one is out there, showing off itself for you guys to see. Lovely way. So this hot sauce is like one of my favorite, although all of the eyeshadow can also be easily used as lipstick, but this one gives me that bow pow lipstick shade that I could wear anytime, and also gives me that transitional shade that I could use for any eyeshadow look, which is quite amazing. I really love this one. It's by far my favorite so far, just based on the color. Like, the color combination is absolutely stunning, and they are actually well thought of really, because the way these two shades, the way both shades of each eyeshadow complements each other is like amazing guys. Look at that. And I also like the fact that you don't need to tell anyone which one is the metallic, which one is the matte. This has actually dried down. You can tell that on the camera right now. Both shades have dried down on my hand, and they look absolutely stunning. Look at that. I'm just going to bring that forward for you guys to see. Look at that. Apart from the fact that it's metallic, it also has a glitter reflex to it. It's not noticeable at all, but you can actually feel that shine on your lids or wherever you apply it on. So I don't know if that makes sense though, but it has a glitter shift to it apart from that metallic finish. I am loving it. They dry down really quick, and they don't budge. They stay right there. Wow guys, this is Private Jet. I'm wearing Private Jet today because the gold actually caught my eye and I couldn't help myself but go for it. So I'm wearing Private Jet right now. I applied the metallic one in my on my lids, and it's the matte shade as my transitional shade. So This is Private Jet. This is what it looks like. The gold in this combo gave me that bow pow feel that I really like, and I couldn't help myself but, you know, I just had to use that one because it's almost Christmas and I needed something to go with the red lips, so I actually opted for that one, which is quite amazing. As you can tell already, the matte shade dries down really quick, but also gives you the time, you know, to work with it in terms of blending it, and the metallic shade is also there doing its job. You're gonna see how I use this in the video soon. For Fox right here, for Fox is really light, like I mean very pale, and it also goes with a light champagne gold. I'm gonna swatch that for you as well. This is really pale and it looks so much like concealer. It felt so much like concealer shade to me, but in a good way though. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. These two complement each other so well. But you definitely be needing a, you know, brown eyeshadow or black one, you know, for a smoky eye look, which would go really well. Or a brown eyeshadow, yeah, that would be really nice. This is absolutely stunning. I like that. This is the leaflet that came with the packaging. It says, rave in a world of glitz and glam with Huda Beauty revolutionary matte and metal shadows. 2 shadow finishes, matte and metallic, united in dual-ended. Easy to use bottle that makes looking fabulous simple. So you can enjoy a glass of bubbly or bird that Private Jet you just picked. Rich and creamy matte pigments, intense metallic shimmery shadows. Blend it out or build it up. Whether you're looking for a color smoky eye or a graphic metallic wing, experiment with our various eyeshadows with our various shades and textures to nail the perfect look for most outrageous moments. It's your turn in the spotlight. Yeah, so that's what the leaflet looks like, and that's what it says, and it also has Huda Beauty at the front of it. My opinion is the fact that the colors actually complement each other so well. I mean, A+ for that. A+, hands down A+ for that for me, in my opinion. The colors match each other really well. They complement each other so well. And apart from that, I also like the applicator. The applicator on both sides are different because one is to apply the metallic shade and the other is to apply the matte shade. So the one for the matte shade looks so much like lipstick, you know, like a lipstick applicator, if that makes sense, which makes it easier to apply the matte shades on your lids. You see how I work with that in this video. And also the metallic side the metallic applicator looks like this. This is so soft. I mean, so soft, and makes application really easy. Look at that, guys. This is so soft and makes application very easy, but it's very flexible, and it brings a lot of product out of the, you know, packaging. So the packaging for me is absolutely amazing. Plus for me as well, because the packaging is really good and easy for application. In terms of the product itself, the matte shade formula is really amazing. If you could, you guys are gonna see how I use it in this video. The thing that I noticed about the metallic shade is the fact that a little goes a long way. When you dip the applicator in once, you can just swipe it and get that, you know, bow pow look that you're going for. So for me, I like the formula and I like the applicator, and I like the fact that it's, you know, very compact and cute. And I also like the fact that for me it can be used as a multi-purpose product. So if I'm going out and I need that, you know, quick makeup look, I could easily take this with me without having to use this particular shade called Bubblegum. I could take it out with me and apply the matte shade on my lids and, you know, layer the metallic shade on it, and that's it, I'm done. And I could also use this bit as a matching lipstick, which for me it's a no-brainer. So you don't need to take any other thing with you, you just need one single brush, which is to blend the matte shade on your lids, then apply the metallic shade on your lids, and apply the metallic shade also on your lips. You're good to go. So that for me it's a no-brainer. Like a multi-purpose product, for me it's a no-brainer. I like it, I'm enjoying it, and in all honesty it's a no-brainer. So that's just my thoughts about it. I'm not quite sure of how much it's going for, but for now I think it's gonna be a very good, I think it's a very good idea, and it's a bargain for me, you know, having to be able to use a product as my eyeshadow and also as my lipstick, in my own opinion. So I like it, and I hope that she'll come up with more shades in the future, because this for me it's a no-brainer. I'm loving it, and if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, please keep on watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.